Hi dear students. So let's see this question that came in KVPY essay 2021 physics paper. The question is from the topic of modern physics. A very easy question, a very standard question. So basically, in this uranium-235 nucleus on fission produces 3 into 10 to the power minus 11 joules of energy. We have to find the amount of uranium-235 in grams that would have been consumed in half an hour in a reactor which has a power of 1 gigawatt and only efficiency of 4.2%. Now, let us assume that X grams of uranium 235 has been consumed in half an hour. Okay, so let's find out the number of atoms that has been consumed. So that means 235 grams of uranium has 1 mole. So X upon 235. This will be the number of moles consumed of uranium in half an hour. Okay, so how many atoms? Just multiply this by Avogadro number. So that means 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. So we can say that these many atoms of uranium 235 must have been consumed in half an hour. Okay, so on consumption of one atom, 3 into 10 to the power minus 11 joules of energy is released. So on consumption of these many atoms, x by 235 into these many atoms, how much energy will be released? Just multiply by 3 into 10 to the power minus 11. So this much energy will be released in half an hour uh, by the consumption of uranium. But only 4.2% of this will be available in the reactor. So we also multiply this by 0.042. So this is the useful energy produced by the reactor in half an hour. Now that means this must be equals to power of reactor multiplied by half an hour time. So power of reactor is 1 gigawatt, which is 10 to the power 9 watts, multiplied by half an hour. Half an hour is 1800 seconds. So this equation will give you the value of x. The calculation is also easy because we have to find the approximate value. So if you see 10 to the power 23 and 10 to the power 11, this will make it 10 to the power 12. And out of this 10 to the power 12, you can take out 3 zeros and make this 42. So what I'm doing is this, I'm cancelling out, I'm making it 10 to the power 9, and this I'm writing as 42, and 10 to the power 9 will be cancelled. So from here, x is nothing but 1800 into 235 divided by, we can say that this 6 and the 6.023 we can approximately write as 6 only, because you can see options are very far away from each other, so it will not make much of a difference. And 42 is also left out. So 6 threes are 18, so this will become 100. And from here you can see that this becomes sorry, 235 by 42 into 100. So approximately speaking, 42 into 5 is 210. So we can say that this will be close like 5 point something something, 5 point, let's say 5, and into 100. So around, we can say approximately 550 grams approximately. So closest option is 500. So option C will be the correct answer to this question. I hope you would have understood. Thank you.